Hello, welcome back to Quick Tech Solution from W3 Grads. Today we are back with our new topic which is very thoughtful and every working individual is worried about it. The topic is how to save our job in this lockdown period. Experts said that there is a high stress which the current crisis has brought upon employees as well as organizations. The ongoing lockdown condition has left employees feeling anxious and worried about future. Nowadays companies are working remotely from home, so friends, please be serious about your work from home. According to the CMIA reports, unemployment rate of Indians hits 26% amidst lockdown, and if we see CII reports, we came to know that India may lose up to 30 crore jobs after this pandemic. It means that the fear of job loss is high. 30% unemployment might create so much problem in country as well as society, which we can clearly see in the chart and graph records. The consequences of losing a job in this pandemic can be bad. The first one is career loss. After you lose a job, there will be a break in career path, which will impact your resume because if you have a gap in your employment history, it creates a negative impression in the mind of an employer. The second one is income loss. It means that when you lose your job, the source of your monthly income stops. Considering this crisis, you might have to start your new job in low salary, which could be a potential loss to your monthly income. The third one is loss of benefits like incentives, bonus, PF, travel allowance, insurance, retirements after losing a job. The fourth one is the loss in emotional and physical health. Unemployment can lead to depression, anxiety, worries, and hopelessness. This will further create a chaos and spoil the relationships with family members. The lack of money and healthy environment can result in increased cases of domestic violence. This moral breakdown can seriously transform a frustrated person to a criminal, which will ultimately increase crime. Therefore guys, you must be serious on saving your job while working from home. Failure is not an option for this, so you should follow some important instruction to save our job as well as organization. First thing is, be on time. Time is a priceless thing, and you should take care of it. Try to be punctual in responding to calls and emails. Also maintain smooth communication with your colleges and management. This will showcase your punctuality to your organization. Work hard and smartly complete the tasks to demonstrate your productivity to your company. This way, your company will have faith in you. Third one is be flexible. In this time of crisis, your company may expect you to do multitasking and may assign you a work out of your comfort zone. In that case, if you will accept the task without any hesitation, your supervisor will develop a confidence in you, which will eventually be fruitful. While working from home, it is very important to maintain a seamless communication with your seniors for timely reporting. So, getting connected with them will give you an upper hand. Showing a positive thoughts, getting involved in innovations, and producing content for business development and growth of organization will give you extra benefits, and will improve your reputation within the organization. In this difficult time, working on skills development can also prove to be a very important step in securing your position in the company. Last but not the least, make horizontal coalition, which means not only connect with your seniors to report them, and juniors to get report from them, but also connect with your managers, and team leaders, and other colleagues at same time. So maintain your relationship with horizontal approach. So friends, you all need to be positive, responsible and productive nowadays to stand out and prove yourself in front of seniors. Stay future focused and do your self-care by meditation, yoga, because mental health is very important along with physical health. Read good and motivational books and always try to seek solutions. So friends, you are the captain of your ship. Therefore, it is up to you how to handle and deal with your challenges. If you have the captain's mindset and stability, then your ship will not drown in high waves of challenges. So, with this we come to the end of this video. I hope you have enjoyed it. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more interesting videos. Thank you.